Heartiest congratulations to Sykes and Ray Equities on completing 30 years. Thanks to the continuing efforts and experience of both Mr. Yogesh and Mr. Anup Gupta, SRE has grown from strength to strength. It has been a real pleasure to be associated with your organization. SRE is one of the best run financially sound brokerage houses in this country. Your single minded dedication towards customer satisfaction has been the cornerstone of your success. Your organizational strength has been amply demonstrated during this pandemic. Both your sub-brokers and clients have experienced a seamless transition to a digitally run company. Wishing you all the very best for the coming decade and looking forward to your future growth story. Heartiest congratulations to entire Gupta family, all the staff and the entire team at Sykes and Ray. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you so much. This is Mehul Zatakia.
Hello, good evening everyone. Congratulations to Anup Bhai and Yogesh Bhai for successful 30 years with company. Hope you stick around for many more because you are one of the great. It is all because of your hard work, dedication, teamwork and everything for you have done to make this company what it is today. It is our pleasure to work with you and I am grateful to have a great co-workers like Rajesh Bhai, Siddhant Prabhu, Tarla Dalal, Tarla Madam, Ujjwala and Krutika, and all co-workers are very supportive. We are grateful to associate with this company. Thank you, sir.
नमस्कार सर, मेरा नाम रितु शर्मा, मैं हरिद्वार से हूँ। मैं एसआरई से 2014 से जुड़ी हूँ। इन 6 सालों में मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट से संबंधित बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। एसआरई की टीम के सभी सदस्य बहुत कोऑपरेटिव हैं। जब एसआरई ने म्यूचुअल फंड शुरू करा तो अनूप सर के प्रोत्साहन से मैंने भी शुरू करा। जब एसआरई के 25 वर्ष पूरे हुए तो मुझे मुंबई में आयोजित प्रोग्राम में आने का मौका मिला और मैं वहां पर अनूप सर और योगेश सर से मिली। मैंने दिल्ली की मीटिंग में कहा था कि हम सब लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, पैसा कमाते हैं, लेकिन विल नहीं बनाते। मृत्यु एक अटल सत्य है, अतः हम सबको आज ही अपनी विल बनानी चाहिए, जिससे कि बिना किसी परेशानी के हमारा पैसा हमारे परिवार वालों को मिल सके। एसआरई बदलते समय के साथ आगे बढ़ रहा है। आज कोई भी नया नियम या बदलाव आने पर वीडियो कॉल के द्वारा आसानी से समझाया जाता है और मैं एसआरई को 30 वर्ष पूरा होने की बधाई देती हूँ और स्वर्णिम भविष्य की कामना करती हूँ और हमारा और एसआरई का साथ ऐसा ही बना रहे। धन्यवाद।
I'd like to share my experience in brief. I joined Sykes and Equities in 2002 as a remiser. Today I am handling Mahindra West branch as an authorized person. My experience with the Sykes and Equities is wonderful, very good. I like to thank all the department for their kind cooperation, and I like to thank Mr. Yogesh Bhai and Anup Bhai, the owner of the company. They are very wonderful and cooperative person. They are also motivator. Whenever there is some critical condition in the market, Anup Bhai and Yogesh Bhai, they motivate us in all aspects. Thank you very much.
एसआरई की 30वीं एनुअल फंक्शन पर मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई और बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। मैं पिछले 10 सालों से एसआरई से जुड़ा हूँ। मैं इस काम में, इनके काम में वगैरह से बहुत सेटिस्फाइड हूँ और इनका बहुत कॉर्पोरेशन रहता है आप लोगों का, और आगे भी ऐसा कॉर्पोरेशन बना रहेगा और बिजनेस में आगे बहुत तरक्की होगी, ऐसे मैं आशा करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
मेरा नाम जयेश विक्रम भाई शाह है। मैं पिछले 21 साल से एसआरई के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ। मैंने एसआरई के साथ मेरा सफ़र अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट से शुरू किया था और आज मैं मीरा रोड ब्रांच में मैनेजर हूँ। मुझे और ये सब योगेश भाई और अनूप भाई ने मुझ पर विश्वास दिखाया, इसलिए मुमकिन हुआ है। योगेश भाई, अनूप भाई तथा पूरी एसआरई टीम ने मुझे और पंकज को जो साथ और सहकार दिया है अब तक, उसके लिए थैंक यू।
साईं राम। My name is Prasad from Ongole, authorized person of Sex and Equities since 20 years. Now our SRE turns to 30, we turns to 20. Our journey with Sex and Equities since 20 years. On this auspicious occasion, my hearty congratulations to our Sri Yogesh Gupta and Sri Anup Gupta and all directors and staff members of Sex and Equities. Our journey with Sex and Equities since 20 years excellently, very nicely. In all aspects, our SRE family members are giving good support and everything. All our clients are also very happy with our SRE activities. I am the district coordinator for Sri Sathya Sai Seva organization. Our Swami saying, love all to serve all, help ever to hurt never. These rules are following our SRE, directors and all staff members. I observed in our staff members and SRE directors, they are doing excellently this love all and serve all. So I am very happy. Once again, I am telling my hearty congratulations to our SRE directors and staff members and Sri Yogesh Gupta and Anup Gupta. Thank you. Sai.
Hi, all of you. Hemang Shah here from Safal Investment Ahmedabad. On the occasion of SRE's 30th anniversary, I congratulate Mr. Yogesh Gupta and Mr. Anup Gupta for achieving a good success in business. We are so proud to have you as a part of our work family, as it has been around 6-7 years of my work experience with the SRE. I had never faced any big problem and the entire team is always ready for support. Hoping for the same is future and had a great future with SRE. Congratulations to entire SRE team. Thanking you.
Hi, hello. I am Balarajiv from Trichy, Tamil Nadu. I am really proud associated with SRE Group. Trichy is the first branch in Tamil Nadu. 2006 December onwards, we are associated with SRE Group. Officially, we have started the branch at February 2007 onwards. That time, I started with my partners. After that, 2010 onwards, I ran the branch by individually. So totally, last 15 years of experience and associated with SRE with great experience. This is the SRE 30th year annual day celebration. So as of now, I 50% of experience with SRE since inception. Great experience and much more experience will be part of our SRE success. Thank you very much.
Respected Yogesh Bhai and my shy friend Anup Bhai. Firstly, congratulations on completion of 3 decades. 3 decades. What a journey. Significance of 30 years. It represents an entire adult work term of a person. In our case, it represents Yogesh Bhai's and Anup Bhai's unwavering vision in Psych Center and what it can achieve for its entire ecosystem consisting of people like me and its happy patrons by creating value for all. This wonderful dream can be compared to the writing styles of fantasy series of Chronicles of Narnia. In word of its famous British writer C.S. Lewis, he explains the importance of turning 30 he says that 30 was so strange for me. I have really had to come to terms with the fact that I am now a walking and talking adult. In my case, I had started journey with SRE in 1996 Guru Purnima, and next year in 2021 we are completing togetherness of with a silver jubilee. If we apply our understanding of age on SRE, we have just entered the adulthood and we have miles to go before it fully realizes the vision Yogesh Bhai and Anup Bhai have been carrying. It is at this opportune time, on occasion, where we are at most on the verge of completing our work terms, it is imperative that Psych Center continues to create value for all the stakeholders belongings to entire new generation. It is our best wish, utmost desire that this juggernaut continues to roll and keeps on making difference in lives of people the way we have seen and felt this difference up close. Lastly, with a lighter note, अनूप भाई से इंस्पायर होके रूह से रूह मिले तो बात बने, रूह से रूह मिले तो बात बने, वरना मोहब्बत का क्या मजा। अभिनंदन है भगवान श्री हरि का कि ये हमें आप मिले। थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक्स।
Hello everyone, I am Amit Bhartia from Rourkela. A very hearty congratulations to Sri Yogesh ji, Sri Anup ji and all the family members of SRE family for completing 30 years. It has been a wonderful association since last 18 years and we appreciate all the support provided by you. And we wish to take this journey to infinity. Congrats once again for a proud moment. Thank you everyone.
Sir, please accept our heartiest congratulations on completion of 30 years of your company, Sykes and Ray Equity India Limited. We have joined your group as associates 18 years back and seen the progress of the company from small to big giant. I can surely say the two gentlemen, Yogesh Gupta ji and Anup Gupta ji, are the main pillars in bringing up this company. SRE means a very respectable name, not only in Mumbai, but all over India. Sir, you built a strong research team in SRE, which is backbone of the company. You've grown the company from merely a brokerage company to a well-diversified group. It caters now almost all wings of financial investments. Clients' all needs will be catered here to the best of his satisfaction. As associates of your group, we are very happy, enjoying and celebrating the grand 30 years. Once again, wishing you all the best in the times to come. Thank you, sir. Okay.
दिल्ली से साइक्स एंड रे की 30वीं वर्षगांठ पे मैं आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। मैं योगेश भाई से पिछले 30 साल से जुड़ा हूँ। जब योगेश भाई ने बॉम्बे की टिकट ली थी 1990 में, 1991 में मैं पहली बार बॉम्बे आया और योगेश से पहली बार मिला था। जब हमने काम शुरू किया तो हम दिल्ली के सब ब्रोकर थे और योगेश भाई से जब काम शुरू करने लगे तो उन्होंने मना भी किया था कि बॉम्बे दिल्ली का काम नहीं हो पाएगा, लेकिन हमने फिर भी काम शुरू किया और आज 29 साल के बाद भी काम बिल्कुल ढंग से चल रहा है। मैं उनको पूरे परिवार को शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। थैंक यू।
Good evening everyone. I would like to congratulate entire Gupta family and the core team of Sykes and Ray for completing 30 years. 30 years. Wow, what a journey. I've been associated with Sykes and Ray since 21 years. ऐसे मानो जैसे कल की बात है। अनु भाई के साथ पहली मुलाकात हुई थी and just I started my career with them. And by grace of God, with Sykes and Ray, we have also prospered. Once again, I would like to wish them all the best and आगे के और 30 साल भी हम लोग साथ में इसी तरीके से हंसते खेलते बिता दें, ऐसी हमारे ईश्वर से शुभकामना प्रार्थना. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
SRE family is one of the main pillars in building my life. They have made me Atmanirbhar. I had the privilege of getting blessing from their parents also. Entire family is very loving, humble, polite, helping, loving and religious minded. They are very much down to earth. I thank Sykes and Race past and present staff for giving cooperation and support to me. I am proud to be part of SRE since its inception. Thank you.
मेरा नाम नानजी डामा है. मैं वाशी में पायल सिक्योरिटी के नाम से फॉर्म चला रहा हूँ. लास्ट 27 साल से SRE से जुड़ा हूँ. इन 27 साल में शेयर बाज़ार में काफ़ी अप डाउन हुई है, काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, जैसे कि हर्षद मेहता, बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट, केतन पारेख, डुप्लीकेट शेयर्स. और इन 27 साल में मेरा SRE में काफ़ी डेबिट भी आया है क्लाइंट का और काफ़ी क्वेरीज भी थी, लेकिन अनूप भाई और योगेश भाई ने एक ही टेबल पे फैमिली मेंबर की तरह बैठ के पूरा सॉल्व किया है. आज तक मेरे को उनकी सर्विस से कोई शिकायत नहीं है. काफ़ी उन लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया है, उसकी वजह से हमारा काम भी काफ़ी बढ़ा. और अनूप भाई का और योगेश भाई प्रोफेशनल नहीं है, फैमिली मेंबर की तरह अपने को ट्रीट करते हैं. मैं SRE के साथ 27 साल से जुड़ा हूँ और जुड़ा रहूँगा. थैंक यू.
Hello, good evening SRE. All members who are associated with us, working with us, all are very nice, very good person. Have a great time of annual day celebrations. Have a great future and the best wishes from me. I am Hitesh Mewada from Bhayandar East branch.